York, Cubao, Philippines!
Hi guys, naghahanap ba kayo of a place to relax, unwind, close to nature, tapos malapit lang sa Manila, and kakantahan ka pa ng isang chef? We found a place here in San Pablo City, Laguna, and we drove to Diwata Nature Resort. Pagpunta mo pa lang guys sa entrance nila, you will be greeted by this breathtaking view. Malaki yung space because this was a weekend, pero maluag yung location. And we tried this inspired Japanese restaurant. It's called Izanami Cuisine because we heard na masarap yung food. Maganda rin yung mga locations dito for photo opt. So you can bring your friends or your family members kasi napakaganda and nakaka-relax ng place. Of course, ang pinunta namin dito yung food. So we ordered a set meal. So this is around 5,000. But guys, take note, 5 na kami dyan plus 2 bata. So, I think may natira pa kaming 2 bowl of ramen. So, for me, sulit na. And for the experience, of course, because papakitaan ka ng mga the moves ni chef. So, for me, it's worth it. And of course, we ordered a Wagyu. Kasama na yung Wagyu doon. And what do you expect from a Wagyu? Of course, tender, juicy, masarap. We haven't tried other spots of this nature resort. So, I think papalik pa kami to try other spots here. So if you don't have any plans or you haven't found any place to go this Lenten season, guys, with your family, you may wanna try or check this place. Yun lang.